Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another Zombicide Green Horde miniature. This time it is Grayson Grüber. This guy is basically a tribute to Alan Rickman, which this mini is clearly based off as it's Snape from Harry Potter. And the name Gruber is from Hans Gruber from Die Hard, which are both characters that Alan played. This mini has been primed in German Panzer Grey, and I'm starting off with Necromancer's Cloak for his cloak. Next up, I used the uniform grey for his clothes, making sure not to get any on that Necromancer's cloak. Now that the clothing is finished, I used elf skin tone to do his head and his hands. I then used matte black to do his hair, belt, wand and boots. You can also do the base at this point, but when I was working on it I wasn't 100% sure I wanted a black base, so I didn't do it now. Next, I started on the highlights with Dungeon Grey for a highlight on the Necromancer's Cloak, just getting those raised areas and the edges. The second highlight is Ash Grey for his main clothing. This is more of a second layer than it is a highlight, as it covers the majority of the uniform grey, just leaving the grey in the recesses, as I won't be doing a wash on the clothing. Now that the clothing is finished, I used shining silver to do the various items hanging from his belt and the buttons. Next is the only wash going on this guy, and that is flesh wash for all of his exposed skin and his hair. Once the wash is dry, I used matte black to do his eyes and the base. The final colour for this guy is elf skin tone for all the raised areas of his skin and to fix the mess I made with the black. And that will be it for Grayson Grüber. It felt weird not doing a wash on the majority of this mini as I normally do, but for Gray I feel like it's worked out quite well. And if you found this useful and enjoyed it, like and subscribe, and as always, don't forget to be kind to each other.